Hi there. Here we are at another nature walk talk, walking along my beloved beach. It's very, very beautiful. Beginning of 2025. It's hard to start a year with so much violence, so much intentional violence. So I wanted to just reflect on how important it is to counter that with our own habits, with our own way of living, with trying to be helpful to people when we meet them, to remind one another consistently that we are still connected to one another as human beings. We are still a society. We need each other to survive and to thrive. So for me, edge of water is the land, literally, is something that's really very reassuring for me. The tide continues to come in and go out. It's something we can depend on. And sometimes, particularly in difficult times, we need to go back into nature and remind ourselves of the cycle of life and remind ourselves of things that we can depend on. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a peaceful and hopeful 2025. Bye-bye.